Hi Big Tractor Power fans, this video comes to you from a western Kentucky field where a 275 engine horsepower John Deere 8640 articulated four-wheel drive tractor is working on spring seedbed preparation with a 28-foot wide Sunflower 1436 disc and 31-foot Unverferth 1225 rolling basket. In this video, we're going to take a look at this classic John Deere four-wheel drive tractor's production history, specifications, and original price tag. But first, let's head out to the field so you can see and hear this big tillage team at work. The 8640 was introduced in 1979 as the top-of-the-line model in John Deere's 40 series line of tractors known as the Iron Horses. This tractor was manufactured through 1982 at the company's Waterloo, Iowa tractor factory. It is powered by a John Deere 10.1-liter, 6-cylinder, 619 cubic inch diesel engine, rated at 275 engine horsepower and 225 PTO horsepower. The tractor features a John Deere quad range partial power shift transmission with 16 forward and 6 reverse speeds. It's equipped with a 214-gallon diesel fuel tank and weighed in from the factory at 22,470 pounds and can be field weighted up to 26,270 pounds. The original price tag for a John Deere 8640 when it was new was $77,628. Customers could order an optional 1,000 RPM PTO for $2,040, a 3-point hitch for $4,688, and a differential lock for $600. When the Model 8640 was introduced in the late 1970s, it was part of the second generation of John Deere articulated four-wheel drive tractors to feature a Sound-Gard cab. It was the direct replacement for the Model 8630 that was introduced in 1975. The Model 8630 with its Sound-Gard cab was a big improvement for articulated four-wheel drive tractors from the company in the mid-1970s. The Sound-Gard cab helped improve the operator's experience for creature comforts and functionality. The Sound-Gard cab's design with its rounded windshield helps improve the experience inside the cab, reducing the sound levels and noise that penetrates from outside in the field. The John Deere 8630 was manufactured in Waterloo, Iowa from 1975 Through 1978, it was also rated at 275 engine horsepower and 225 PTO horsepower. Its original price tag was $52,475. Even though most of the specifications between an 8640 and 8630 were similar, one key difference is the design of the cab. The Model 8630 has a larger window on the lower portion of the operator's door, and the 8640 has a smaller window in that area. John Deere replaced the Model 8640 in 1982 with an upgraded Model 8650. There were two key design changes made to the tractor. The first was removing the breather and muffler from the center of the tractor's hood and locating them over to the right-hand side of the cab for improved visibility from the operator station. Visibility was further improved by adding a set of headlights to the tractor's grille for better vision at night in the field. This tractor was manufactured through 1988 in Waterloo, Iowa at the company's tractor factory and is rated at 290 engine horsepower and 235 PTO horsepower. The original price tag of a John Deere 8650 when it was new was $93,151. I hope you've enjoyed spending some time out in the field with this John Deere 8640 articulated four-wheel drive tractor and Sunflower 1436 disc working on spring seedbed preparation. Do you use a John Deere 8640 tractor on your farm, or have you used one in the past? Or other John Deere Sound-Gard series articulated four-wheel drive tractors like the 8630 or 8650 or other variations? Let me know about them in the comment section below this video, and if you would like to see more videos like this one, consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there's over 1,000 videos of farm machines in action. As always, thank you for watching.